Alright guys, we'll be starting with HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, in the front end development, we have three basic language, which are HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now, HTML is one of the backbone language that characterize the front end of every website. Now, with HTML, you can introduce images, you can introduce paragraph, and many more. Now, we are going to be downloading our text editor for our project. Now, for those using laptop, you have your text editor, and those using phone, you have your text editor. Now, for those using phones, the text editor that we are going to be using is our Acode. Right away, I will show you the process to download it. Now, this Acode is a simple app that you can use to code your HTML file and you get it running. And for those using laptop, we have many text editors like Atom, we have text editor like Sublime, we have VS Code, which is a Visual Studio Code. Oh yeah, I will be showing you practicals on how to install it to your system. Alright guys, let's go into the installation of our text editor right away. Alright guys, let's run our Acode installation. Now we are going to our I'll have to delete this here so that we show you the process on how to get yours done. Now let's go to our Play Store. Here we are going to search for Acode. As you can see it here, Acode app. This is it. You install. As we wait for the process for the installation, few more minutes to go. Now the installation process is almost done. Then we are going to click on open. You give permission. Right guys, you can see that your Acode is not saved very well with HTML extension. Now we are going to go to save as. We select folder. Now we are going to add part. Let's click on this plus sign here. We click on add parts. Then now we are going to select folder that our parts will lead direction to. Since we don't have any here yet, we are going to add. Then we'll select the folder that we want to name it, which is HTML. Let's use HTML for now. So already we can now click on use this folder and grant permission. So you see our part has been created. We can now click on OK. So guys, we are going to open this folder now. Can you see that icon down here that has the good sign? Let's click on it. So your HTML extension is saved with index.html. Guys, don't forget index.html. Now let's rename this with index.html. That's by default. You can change it to any name but must end with .html, maybe my class.html, home.html, and so on. There is something I want you to take note of. Whenever that is properly saved, it's going to give us an icon known as 5, which is the latest HTML, which is HTML5. Now let's click the OK to see what will happen. Okay, you can see that our project is well saved. Then every project can be done inside here. Alright guys, this is how to download your Acode for your phone and also how to run it. When we click on this play sign, see what will happen. It will take us to our, can I call it now, our browser, where we can be seeing all our project. Guys, when we get into real project, you will see how to use your Acode and you see all your project running. I hope that is okay. So try yours, pause this video, go and try yours, download yours. That is for if you are using phone. Right away we are going to